My next brief upload today is with regard to the poor developments that have been made in society with very poor practices and that have been used as a mechanism of preemptive strikes detection. These individuals have had no respect whatsoever for constitutional law. They've had no respect whatsoever for humanitarian protection laws. They've had no respect for sacred royal patronage. These individuals have gone off on a tangent. They've spun a huge scenario out of what was that size of a circumstance. They've been, as I've mentioned, using artificial tagging on my body. They have had no consent to do this. They have been damaging my bodily anatomy, and they have also been playing a part in harms to my child. The Taoiseach's office has been made aware of this since 2017. So these people are continuously being facilitated, and they have used artificial tagging with my beautiful light fragments that they had no consent to use to preempt outcomes, decisions, etc., etc., that has arisen from a very unlawful, unethical project of research that they did not respect society's laws with or for at all. So my PTRB violations experience is ongoing. The issue of individuals violating whistleblower protection laws is ongoing. There is a very dangerous issue with regard to the distortion and the disruption and the detection that these individuals, these liabilities in society of very bad publicity have been applying to their list of offences that they've caused against my innocent child. So I'm really curious about how the professionals, practitioners and politicians that are aware of my situation, a law-abiding citizen that has made many humanitarian endeavours at home and abroad that have been fruitful, that have saved and that have accrued positive progress outcomes. And these individuals are only feeding and fueling a situation that is of distortion. So anyway, this matter of the law not being respected as a law-abiding citizen, wondering where my child is, and these individuals violating PTRB regulations, whistleblower protection laws, having damaged sacred light of my body. I'm wondering what the humanitarian perspective is on all of this. It's quite serious because these people are in my proximity and they shouldn't be. They are of repeat offences. They're not of the Fellowship of Recovery. They're not of sanity and sobriety. They are not in a position to be discussing me. They have breached confidentiality. They're disturbing the peace, and they have caused damage to my beautiful child with all their offences. So there's a very dangerous issue going on in Tralee where professionals are thinking of abusing their positions and causing repeat offences against women and children such as my child and I. So I'd appreciate the guards and the government's addressing